several minutes to understand. The reaction time is difficult. The fleet management operator has always analyzed the mapping. But if you use our landmarks and then own checkpoints on top of it, what happens is that it's instant understanding. So the user friendliness is, I would say, one of the key selling points of Tramigo. That's, for example, our success story in the consumer business and small fleets saying that you can simply take your Android phone, track your vehicles with our software from that smartphone real time, and any fleet owner learns how to use it. So the user friendliness is one of the critical factors. And then if you look at the, let's say, quality side of the product, so we have a 2-year standard warranty, we have a Dubai-based repair service, so all our support is based in the local market. We use very high-quality components, expensive GSM modems, and so on to make sure that the technology is very robust. At the same time, we can deliver it with very affordable prices because of the business model and mass volume. So we operate in markets like Indonesia or Nigeria, highly price-sensitive markets. And everybody, of course, in the new technology business says already, no, but the Chinese are cheaper. But the vehicle tracking is very similar like mobile phone industry. It's all about brand awareness. So if you look at, let's say, a case study like our marketing, biggest market in Africa, for example, Nigeria, where we have more than 2.5 million customers, everybody knows that Tramigo is the best device. So fleet owner buying this, let's say, roughly retail price between 800 and 900 dirham in this market. End of the day, that's only a few days diesel cost for the customer. So actually, once the fleet owner knows the features, the difference, the user friendliness, the quality, they are happy to pay a little bit more for the quality. And same thing I think applies to any electronics business. And why Samsung Apple is selling a lot, even they are more expensive. So this is very important to understand. Yes, vehicle tracking, fleet management has to be affordable, but you cannot sacrifice quality. So you look at this market area, you have like very high temperatures, for example, can reach in a vehicle 70, 80 Celsius. The GSM engine is the most sensitive component of the technology. So what happens is that if you use a low quality device, they can easily shut down during midday when the technology tries to protect the GSM engine. So what we use is a military grade Canadian GSM model to make sure that we have more than 80 Celsius operating time. So this has just a tiny detail to understand that when we are securing valuable assets like vehicles, so you have to focus on the quality. So what it's all about, the combination of quality and user friendliness is our success story. And then if you look at of course, softwares, it goes to level of you can have the smartphone softwares and the service software, web-based tracking, even rebranding. So if some of you are interested in this kind of own business to your customer or selling fleet management as a service, you can actually rebrand the technology so that it runs fully under your own company. So what we are doing in Tramigo is that we are building a globally consumer brand. So like, let's say if you could compare us to a early stage TomTom, similarly they were the first guys in the navigation. So we are the first guys globally in consumer branding for GPS tracking. But then if you look at fleet management, is a service business. So there of course, we are happy to partner with service providers that they can rebrand the technology. And this ranges from car finance to insurance companies. We have many rebranding partners who create, let's say, transport fleet, advanced fleet business. Could be a stolen vehicle recovery business, not in this market, but many other markets. But this gives you the freedom. Sometimes even car finance companies are rebranding it. We have our biggest customer support and and he has a lot of experience on the server application. So the idea of this software is that you can use it as a traditional web-based tracking software. It has simple web interface, it has a more advanced client interface, it has also admin interface, so you can use it on a multiple levels. You could even offer it as a simple consumer interface when you offer only the web tracking, but then it goes on a unique level that this can be even used with SMS also. So if you hook up an SMS modem, so you can actually use it offline. So it's practically the only tracking server software in the world where you can use online and offline. And this is, of course, most of the time use it online, but SMS is again, you go for these special customer groups and special areas, remote areas, then suddenly offline server becomes very handy. All security organizations, army, secret services, they always use this product offline. And then of course in UAE, basic car leasing, this kind of business typically makes sense to use it online. Also, of course, it's cheaper in this market to use GPRS and so on. But the software itself is very flexible. You can use it on an advanced level. A lot of features. We don't have time to even go through all the features, but Fadi will give you an overview today, and then you can hook up meetings with him to go through more detail.
Hi everybody. This is our software. If you see here, you have first this group for projects, and you can create unlimited group with unlimited the number of the car. Here the type of report what you receive from the device. Here the report is showing the car stop. Stop, it does mean the car not in parking position and not moving. Maybe stop and signal or in some delivery, just only stop it. When the car stop more than 10 minutes in same place, the position change to park. Okay? And this is our landmark. They show you here 0.14 kilometers south of Hamar Ain Shopping Center, Dela. So this is our landmark. Okay? When you take this landmark to the map, here you use Google Map. So here the Google Map, and you put the landmark on the Google Map. So here Google Map, and here the car stop, and here Hamar Ain. Okay? So for the map, you can change the map also. You have your open street map. You can use it. You have 3-4 type of map you can choose. But this is not effect to our landmark. Okay? So even without any map, you can still know where the car because of the landmark. We have also this the status report. The status report to show you the status of the device. To show the device now is not on the tree. Okay, the GPS 88, GSM 100%, GPS connect, and the pressure of the unit of the device. This port A9. Also, they show here the battery and GPRS queue. That means if you have some pending message, data stuck in the device or the signal or for any reason, they show how many messages you have in the queue in the device. And you have the report, which kind of report you fix to the device. Like here you have find every 2 minutes, every 2 kilometers, every 1 hour when the car is not moving in the bar, and 40 degrees the angle.
This code is having different speed limits. So are you managing, your map is managing that street speed sort of thing?
Yeah, you can define, like let's say, that certain area, what is the maximum for overspeeding alarm and so on. So these guys, physically, we don't control the speed of the vehicle because we don't offer that kind of access. but in the map, like in the alarm side, I want that, okay, this area I want 60 kilometer maximum speed, then I get alarm for this is
So it means a multi-speed is possible.
The multi-speed alarms, yes.